Hello guys, in today's video I will be teaching you how to create player movements for Unity for a 3D game. So first, you're going to want to open Unity. I'm currently running Unity version 6. But you create a new project, Universal 3D, name it whatever you want. I'll just do test project. Use this just to show you. And then I'm not going to use Unity version control. You're just going to click create project. And then when it's done, then it'll start booting up. You just gotta wait for it to load. It'll take a little bit, and you just gotta wait a little bit. And once it loads, then I'll go ahead and show you what to do then. So you just gotta wait a little bit. Now the speed that it takes to load depends on your PC and like your storage, how much stuff you have on your computer, and all of that. So that will affect how long it takes to load and stuff. It normally doesn't take long for me, just this time it's trying to load it up a bit, so we'll just go ahead and wait. But basically, 3D projects will take longer to load than like 2D and stuff because they're using up more resources. But here we go. It is now booted up. Oh, Unity Package Manager, just taking care of that stuff. Just wait for this to finish up. Okay, bring back end. Okay, there. Once it's done, you're going to want to go to Game Object, and then you're going to want to do 3D Object, and then start off with a cube, and then you're going to want to click on that cube, well, it's compiling shaders. Click on the cube, put scale for 50, and then you're going to want to put 50. That will give you a nice little platform, and then you can always change your character scale based off of what you want to do. But basically, first you're going to want to create empty, and then we'll label this as player. So this is the player. Oh wait, is that a folder? No, I don't think that's a folder. Here, create empty. Oh well, yeah, just player then. Player. There we go. And then we're gonna want to go back to game object, 3D object, and then capsule. And then for this, you're gonna want to set this to 0. So all positions should be set to 0. And if you don't see the position thing, you just click on the object, and then it'll go like into an editing thing, set it to 0. So for my games, I always put the scale on these for 2, because it doubles the size, so it matches a little bit. But then you're gonna drag it up until until it's a little bit above the ground. There we go, that's perfect. So we got that done. And then you're gonna want to find the camera, bring that over here, move it this way, okay, and then if you want to test game, there we go, that looks good. Here, set this to 0, and then, yeah, that should be good. Okay, so now you have your camera set up. That's done, and then basically, you're going to want to take camera, put it into there, capsule, put that into there, and to make it easier, you could try renaming this to player, whatever you want, and then just select player cam or something. But then once you've done player, you're going to go into scenes, and then you're going to create a new folder. So now you got a folder. We're going to label this as movement. So this is the player movement. Go in here, and then create mode of behavior script, and then we're going to label this as movement. Okay, we got that. Now you're going to need, oh, it's just doing that. Importing scripts. Now I already have this set up, but basically you'll want this app right here, which is the Visual Studio app, and then you basically just go here and like connect this to Unity and stuff. You go to movement.cs, which is this, and then I'll put the code into the description so you can go and copy the code. Just copy the code, And then be careful because I have it set as movement, but here, whatever you rename this file right here, you have to put that name into here or else it will not work. And then when you're done there, click on the player folder, and then you'll drag this into add component. Oh wait, hold on. You click that, add component. Oh wait, okay. So then you go here. Once this is, well, close that, double click on this. As you can see here, just trust the authors. As you can see here, there's this code. Just go ahead and delete all of that. So just double click on so just go ahead and double click on this file right here. Then delete all this code, go into the description, copy and paste the code that I will put in the description. Just use this. If it's not in the description, then check the comments. Put that in there. Then you want to go to File, Save, and then go ahead and close out this. You'll see this happen. Just compiling all the scripts and stuff. Wait a bit. Now go ahead and click on the player again. Drag this, add component. There we go. Now you have the character controller, the player movement, and then you want to take the camera and drag it to player camera. And now whenever you look here, it will always be showing that. Though in a later video, I'll teach you how to do colliders, but right now, because I don't have colliders set up on here, it'll just fall through the map when you start. But it has working movement with jumping mechanics. As you can see, I can jump, I can look around, I can also move forward. But yeah, that's how you set up movement mechanics in Unity. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and go ahead and share this to your friends or anyone who needs help learning how to do this. But go ahead, have a nice day. Uh, don't save, I don't really need this. But go ahead, have a nice day, and have fun developing.